In this video, I'll show you how to convert a Word document to PDF in C# and .NET using GemBox.Document. We'll start from a basic console app in Visual Studio, install the GemBox.Document NuGet package, load a Word file, and save it as PDF. At the end, I'll also show you how to modify the document in code before exporting it. First, we need to install the GemBox.Document package. Right-click the project and open NuGet Package Manager. Then search for GemBox.Document. Select the package and click Install. Once the installation is finished, we're ready to write the code. Now let's open program.cs. First, import the GemBox.Document namespace. Next, set the license key. We are using the free limited key, which you can use for evaluation and smaller documents. For production use, you would use your professional license key instead. Now we load the Word file. This reads the file into GemBox.Document's in-memory document model. That means the document is not only loaded for conversion, but it can also be modified in code, which we'll see next. To finish the conversion to PDF, we simply save the document with a PDF file extension. That's all it takes to convert a Microsoft Word file to PDF. Let's run it. Okay, so here is the original Word file, and here is the generated PDF file. As you can see, the PDF looks the same as the original Word document. The conversion preserves the layout, formatting, and content of the original file. Now let's make a small change before exporting. Let's say we want to change the name of the restaurant from Aurelia to Elara. Let's go back to program.cs. Because the document is loaded into an editable object model stored in the document variable, we can modify its content before saving. We can call the replace method of the content property of the document model, which will replace all occurrences of the Aurelia text with Elara. Now our code loads the document, updates the text, and then saves the result as PDF. Let's run it again. And now the exported PDF contains the updated restaurant name. So with just a few lines of code, we converted a Word document to PDF and modified its content along the way. I hope this video was helpful. If you want to do more with Word documents in .NET, GemBox.Document provides a powerful API for reading, writing, converting, and editing Word documents programmatically. To learn more, check out the GemBox website using the link in the video description. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.